Picture this. You're a CTO sitting in the quarterly board meeting. The CEO asks the question you've been dreading. How productive is our engineering team really? You pull up your GitHub dashboard showing commits and PRs. You flip to Jira showing completed story points. But deep down, you know you're only seeing pieces of the puzzle. Because here's what you can't see. Your developers spend their days jumping between dozens of different applications. Traditional metrics only capture what happens in a few of those systems. The reality? More than half of engineering teams are losing more than 5 hours per developer every week to unproductive work. But leadership has no way to see where that time actually goes. GitHub shows commits. Jira shows completed tickets. But what about everything else? This is where Scan AI changes everything. Instead of guessing what's happening, we show you exactly where your team spends their time across your entire development ecosystem. Our platform starts with a high-level view: how many developers are active, their utilization rates, and time spent in applications. However, the secret sauce lies in our Developer Productivity Index, a key metric that includes our observation data and imports activity from other development tools to create the most complete unified analytics view for engineering executives. So here's an example. See these two developers? One's crushing it, the other's struggling. Traditional tools can't tell you why. We see that developer 6 spends focused time in coding applications, while developer 3 is bouncing between collaboration applications at a much higher rate, multiple context switches, and more than 100 different copy-paste activities across applications. Scan AI is able to observe all work right from their desktops. Time in IDEs, collaboration overhead in Slack and Teams. Even when that collaboration overlaps with active development work, we see the percentage of time spent on communication tasks that other tools completely miss. The result? Instead of wondering why your team productivity varies, you know exactly what's working and what isn't. You can replicate the habits of your top performers and eliminate what is slowing everyone else down. Because when you can see the complete picture of how work really happens, you can finally optimize it. Ready to stop guessing and start knowing? Scan the possibilities.